EVS 1, Lesson number 2, Interrelationship between living things. When two or more things are connected to each other, it is called an interrelationship. For example, man depends on trees, medicines, fruits, vegetables, house, clothes, etc. Here it shows relationship between trees and human being. Now for example, I can say a tree with lots of strengths on it. It gives shade from the scorching sun. Can you tell which is the tree? Yes, that's a banyan tree. Needs of living things are met in their environment. We need air, water, food, clothes, and shelter in our day to day life to satisfy our needs. Food from plants, animals, air from environment, water from river, lakes, rain, etc. Clothes, plants, animals, etc. Shelter, plants, and other resources, etc. All these needs of living things are met in environment. Animals, plants, human beings, all are interdependent on each other. Needs of all living things is not same. Water that a mouse drinks is an entire day would not be enough for an elephant even at one time. Fish can breathe in water. Can pigeon do same? No. Sheep can eat the shrubs. Can tiger eat this? No. Bulrushes can grow in water. Can lemon tree grow? No. What is fulfillment of needs? Living things adapt themselves. That is, they survive and grow in those areas where all their needs are fulfilled. The basic needs of all living things is the same. Basic needs are air, food, water, shelter, and clothing. How animals fulfill their needs. Example, tiger has strips on the body. It hides in the tall grasses and stays near the place where there is water throughout the year. Lives in the hills and caves and the place where he can hunt animals like deer, nilgai, basins, etc. We get silk from cocoons of the larvae of the mulberry silkworm. Sheep gives us wool. Monkeys and squirrels live on trees. They are arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are those animals that live on trees. They live on trees, it provides shelter, fruits, etc. After eating fruits, they just throw the seeds here and there in the forest so that other trees grow there again. Trees are the homes of the birds. It provides shelter from rain and sun. Birds build nest in their branches. What happens if termites make a tree hole hollow? Trees trunk are weakened, and if they make hollow, that can cause heavy branches to break during storms and heavy rains eventually die. We keep animals to satisfy some of our needs. We look after them. We feed them. We take care of them. We take them to the veterinary hospital if they fall sick. Animals are useful, and used in many ways. We get milk, meat, eggs, etc. Dogs guard our house, donkeys carry loads, horses to draw carts, bulls or oxes in the farm work in fields. They are our friends. Plants give us vegetables, fruits, food grains, flowers, cotton, etc. We grow plants, give them manure, spray pesticides whenever needed. They set in the farm work in fields. They are our friends. Plants give us vegetables, fruits, food grains, flowers, cotton, etc. We grow plants, give them manure, spray pesticides whenever needed. They satisfy our needs. Beyond human being, each other living things also get their food from the environment. Chameleon eats insect. Snakes. The snakes which live in the fields, they are damans, and they eat mice and frog. Goats and sheep eat leaves of plants. Cattle eat grass. We have 3 seasons: summer, rainy, and winter. In summer season, we feel hot and drink lots of water, wear cotton clothes. In rainy season, we use umbrella, raincoats, gumboots to protect ourselves. In winter season, we use woolen clothes to protect us from cold. Winter in Maharashtra is also called the season of Pangal, falling of leaves. Coats of furry animals become thicker in winter. These keep them warmer. Sheep, goats, rabbits. But when there is a Pangal season in Maharashtra, slowly the trees started getting leaves, and that leaves are copper in color, and then they are told when it starts blossoming. So in Marathi it is told mohar in Marathi. Summers we get mangoes and watermelons, cashew nuts, but in rainy season we get jackfruits, jamuns, etc. So with this we finish our interrelationship between living things.